Saturated fats will cause clogging of your arteries, and it will cause more body fat. But omega-3 fatty acids do not. So if you eat a high raw plant-based diet, no oils and stuff, you won't have much body fat. Okay, so the question from YouTube is if omega-3s are not stored in fat cells, what are stored in fat cells? So there is a misunderstanding of biology, that's a nutrition mythology out there, that any kind of fat you eat becomes body fat. And that's just not true. It's not the case. So different fats are used for different things. Fats become hormones. Fats become part of your cellular structures. And there are some fats that can really make you fatter, cause more body fat. Those are more along the lines of saturated fats. Saturated fats will cause clogging of your arteries, and it will cause more body fat. But omega-3 fatty acids do not. So if you eat a high raw plant-based diet, no oils and stuff, you won't have much body fat. I gotta say, I don't have much body fat. I'm pretty small, right? So you won't have a lot of body fat, which is a goal. That is the good thing. You don't want to have a lot of body fat. What the omega-3 fatty acids do is they become parts of your cells. And that's very, very important. They become part of the phospholipid membrane, which makes your cells more responsive and receptive to signaling. They become the anti-inflammatory immune system, which is necessary for recovery from injuries and bringing you back to baseline from inflammatory diseases. So the more you have of those, actually, the higher your metabolic rate, the faster you heal from things. So that's the most important thing.